Benaulim is a village located in South Goa. It neighbors Kolwa to the north and Varka to the south. A picturesque fishing village, Benaulim is dotted with paddy fields. Benaulim plays host to a number of famous restaurants and hotels. The long sandy beach is perfect for relaxing on. The warm waters of the Arabian Sea lapping at its shores. The best thing about Benaulim Beach is that it is still rather undiscovered by domestic tourists, even though it is a famous beach for fishing. You can have amazing cuisine at the shacks lining the shore and watch the golden sunset. The beach is a nice place for picnic, and one can just relax the day off soaking the sun. At night, the beach looks beautiful with a starry sky and gentle moonlight bestowing the place. Spot the carefree dolphins in the Arabian Sea and enjoy a fun-filled dolphin trip. Jet skiing is one of the most thrilling and popular activities. Many people go paragliding to enjoy the view of the beach from the above. The other water sports activities you can do are banana ride, parasailing, and ringo ride. Make sure to see the fishermen with your fresh catch in the evenings. Away from the hustle and bustle of the city, the beach is a perfect place to relax and regenerate your spirits. This beach has a picture-perfect sunset. Make sure to visit Benaulim Beach and tag us with your beautiful photos at Amazinggoem. Google Map location down in the description box.